You still, this movie is still what the fuck it is. It's still that movie. So if you want these characters in your movie, if you want these items such as money, such as love, you're gonna get that. You're gonna get that. So let's see what Cosmic Puzzle Piece say. How do you bring yourself back to the self when in a stressful state? Now, here's the thing. Okay, great question, Cosmic Puzzle Piece. So if you have, so what's a stressful? What's fucking stressful? Let's get down to that. What is stressful? What is what? Matter of fact, where's stress happening at? Stress is happening in the mind. Stress is happening in the mind. If we understand the principle of the mind, what does the mind do? It's a monkey mind, right? It hops from here to there, 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 here to there. It'll create a thought. Mind is nothing but thoughts. Let's keep it 100. So the mind ultimately don't exist. It's nothing but a bundle of thoughts. So thoughts on top of thoughts on top of thoughts. You have one thought about, damn, this is going bad. Then another thought about, like, damn, if this is going bad, then it's going to make this go bad. Then here's another thought. And those two things go bad, which is going to make this go bad. I'm going to lose my house. I'm going to lose my car. I'm going to lose my job. That's the trick. You have to be able to switch to observer mode. I've been finding this like slight little silence when I have those thoughts. You don't have to fight the mind, right? When I find this slight little silence where I can just observe those thoughts. It's the same thing like an itch. Those itches start happening, and the longer the more intense you ignore it, it goes the fuck away. Here's the thing, Cosmic Puzzle Piece. You black. Us as niggas, we done been through so much if we want to identify as the black culture. When we start ignoring shit, if you grew up low income, niggas ignore bills and live their life, have a party, do this and do that and still be happy, ignoring those goddamn bills. It's the same goddamn thing. Ignoring those thoughts, right? Let those thoughts take their course. If there's something you can immediately do that's in your control, like let's say you're in a stressful situation, like you got a flat tire, don't sit there and fucking panic about having a flat tire. Do what the fuck you can do. Like, I changed my first flat tire at fucking 30 or 29. I didn't know how to do it. I'm on a highway in Atlanta. I don't live in Atlanta. I'm on a highway in Atlanta on the side in fucking traffic. Something says, whip out the YouTube. This is where we use discernment, and this is where you use the mind too. Whip out YouTube, look up my model of my car, go in my trunk, I got a spare tire, and I put my fucking tire on by my goddamn self. If there's something you can do in the immediate, let the body and mind work itself. Ignore those thoughts that's trying to instill fear. Pull yourself back to pure awareness. Observe those thoughts. Just observe them, bro. You don't have to do anything about those thoughts that's building up other thoughts. And the more we do this, the more the mind will dissolve. The more those situations will dissolve.